Morning, guys. This is 68 Cougar with cowl damage, cowl, C-O-W-L damage. This is actually the driver's side. So I cut a hole in here today for access, just to get an idea of what I have to work with and how far I have to go. And yeah, it's rusted out. Not as bad as others, but sorry, phone work is terrible. Camera work, but it's going to require some attention. I've ordered a repair kit, which is basically a plastic sleeve that goes in here from up under, but that is not going to take care of all this rust through and holes. Because we got some, it's not too bad. We got some movement, but all up and under here and under this edge on this side. There's some holes. It's going to be tricky for me to deal with because I'm not a welder. But all this in here, this is all open in a hole. So this here will be easy enough to fill. We'll just get a piece of metal. Heck, I could even do fiberglass, I guess, and seal this off. Actually, I may be able to do fiberglass for all of it. But I'm really not sure what to do. I'm not taking the whole cowl panel off. There's like 200 and some welds for this whole panel going all the way across. This side is not as bad, but I still may end up cutting out an access here as well, just to see what there is to deal with. But as far as rust goes so far, I think that's pretty much the worst of it that's left. As I said, the floor panels have been replaced, and all the body work seems to have been done pretty good. I mean, there's other things I would have done as far as prep, but I think it's, for a driver, I think it'll be fine. And to be honest, I could just theoretically close this up and walk away if this is going to be a fair weather car, which none of mine are. So yeah, I need to do it, close it up and clean it up right. I'll have videos going forward on the progress. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later.